In this video we are going to be analysing ACOR. We can see this was the leading gapper today, closing up over 167%. So to get straight into the technical side of it, and obviously as we're going to be providing you technical levels, do understand the main driver of any stock is always down to the fundamentals. So if fundamental news comes out or rumours come out or anything that can really make the stock move on a fundamental reason, then yes, you may blast through some of these levels. But the thing you use technical analysis for is just to perfect or get better entries and exits. So that's how you're really meant to use them, and not by thinking, okay, as soon as it hits that level, it's going to have to sell off. Obviously, if there's a news catalyst, it can blow straight through. But if we do continue this upward momentum, our closest resistance as of right now is just breaking above that $1 psychological resistance and then taking us to $1.16. If we break that, we're then looking at $1.75, $1.95, $2.35, and final levels going to $3.10 and $4.28. Now obviously some of these levels are very far off, and that's really just because this stock has been in such a strong sell-off. I mean, here you can see its high or 52-week high is at $4.80, but really if you drag this out to a longer term time frame, you can see this stock, I mean, it was at one time $270, and now it's sitting at 26 cents at its 52-week low. I mean, that's quite a thing just to be aware of, at least if you are doing anything longer than day trading this stock. So those would be the key resistance on a technical side. Obviously, again, if there's some sort of news that makes you blast straight through those levels, you'll probably see the stock stabilize within this range, and then you can trade the range when it comes or kind of calms down. But really, if you see some news catalyst, it plays straight through a level, don't try and catch that reversal. Just try and just wait for it to steady out a bit, and then wait for it to kind of push into one of these levels, and then look for your short entry, or if you're a long bias, start to look in profits. Now on the other hand, if we start to sell off, what are key supports we need to be paying attention to? And 80 cents is that closest one. That is our first deviation on the daily chart. So if we go into more of an intraday time frame, even if we just go into a 1 day 1 minute, we can see that this stock did come back, test it as a support twice, and that's what led to its end of day push. So just do be cautious of this level on the way down. If we start to fade, if we break below this 80 cents, and by that I don't mean just break through it like we did here, I mean a break below it, come back to retest it, and if it continues down, then that would indicate most likely the move is over, and we would expect a push to its next support level at 55 cents. And one more, if we do break through here again, it'd probably be something off my watch list by then, but if it did, then it would just be the gap fill at around 33 cents. But really, if it comes back below that 80, the move on this is most likely dead, and there'll probably be better opportunities elsewhere. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.